Hello students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chivte. In this video, we are going to see MCQs, multiple choice questions on the topic suppositories and pessaries from the pharmaceutics 2 subject. This video is only of very short length, 6 to 7 minutes, and you will get definitely benefited if you observe it with very concentration. So let us start. The following are the types of suppositories except. So you have to find out the types of suppositories except. The options are dispersible, rectal suppositories, nasal suppositories, or ear cones. And the correct option is, all the options are types of suppositories except, yes, dispersible suppositories. Dispersible suppositories. So this is not the type of suppository. Theobroma oil is the example of dash bases used in the preparation of suppository. The options are water-soluble bases, fatty bases, emulsifying bases, or absorption bases. And the correct option is theobroma oil is the example of fatty bases used in the preparation of suppository. So theobroma oil is a fatty base. Dash method is used for the preparation of suppositories in case of thermolabile drugs. So when you are preparing the suppositories containing the thermolabile or heat sensitive drugs, which method is used? The options are rolling method, fusion method, cold compression method, or bottle method. And the correct answer is yes, when thermolabile or heat sensitive drug is there, cold compression method is used for the preparation of suppositories. The following are the types of suppositories except, yes, ear cones, vaginal suppositories, nasal suppositories, or oral suppositories. So the correct answer is yes, oral suppositories. This is not the type of suppositories. All other options mentioned here are the types of suppositories. Suppositories are never orally administered. Glycerol-gelatin base are most commonly used for making of, yes, which type of suppositories? The options are pessaries, ear cones, rectal suppositories, or nasal suppositories. So glycerol-gelatin base is used for making of, yes, pessaries. Pessaries, which are also known as an vaginal suppositories. The quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base is called as, and the options are saponification value of the drug, displacement value of the drug, acid value of the drug, or rancidity. And the correct option is yes, the quantity of drug which displaces one part of the base is called as an displacement value of the drug. This is very important when you are preparing the suppositories, to have the uniformity in the size, shape, and weight. The displacement value of the suppository is important. Another name for the cocoa butter base is, yes, cocoa butter base is also known as an Vituspol, Muscopol, theobroma oil, or beeswax. And the correct answer is yes, cocoa butter is also known as an theobroma oil. which type of containers are used for suppositories? So when you want to pack the suppositories, which containers are used? Yes, plastic tubes, vials, ampoules, or aluminum foils. And the correct answer is yes, aluminum foils. Aluminum foils or suppositories are packed in the aluminum foils. The volume of suppository from a particular mold is uniform, but its weight is vary because of the dash of the medicament. Yes, if there is a uniform in weight, but its weight will vary, but the volume may be same. This happens in case of suppository because of difference in the densities of the medicaments, particle size of the medicament, particle shape of the medicament, or other. And the correct answer is yes, because of densities of the medicament, its weight will vary. Dash are available in conical wedge shape or rod shape. Yes, which type of suppositories are available in conical wedge or rod shape? Rectal suppositories, pessaries, ear cones, or nasal suppositories. And the correct option is yes, pessaries. They are available in conical wedge shape or rod shape.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear.
Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chiute for such type of updated videos. Thank you.